First layer with HB pencil. Then, 2B pencil for second layer. Then I used 4B pencil for dark areas. And Tombow Mono Zero eraser for highlights. Blend with blending stump or brush. For short hair, use 4B or 6B pencil and make short strokes in one direction. Making the dark part to highlight teeth, I used HB, 2B, and 4B pencils. And 12B pencil for extreme dark area. Highlight the teeth and lips. Here I am using inkless pen and making strokes for highlights. This is a good way to make beard and hair, but it does not work on thin paper. Then I am using a dark pencil. Make sure that you are making strokes in the correct direction. Blend with a makeup brush and highlight with eraser. Do not use white gel pen on beard or hair. How to make the neck round? Well, to remove flatness, the shading of the pencil should be done in such a way that the neck has roundness. In other words, shading should be done in the same direction as the skin. Also maintain the curves, light and dark tones, and add some highlights. So yeah, this is how I draw. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.